mad, him a mad. I can't mad doing a mad. How are you doing?
Yeah, doing. I cast the demon out. I cast the demon out. Yeah. I cast the demon out of you.
No! Me not move! Me not move! Doing! So my brother, you feel so Obeah real? Yeah man, real man.
Obeah not really out.
Obeah real, yes. But if you
Believe in it, yeah.
Real for sure. Yeah man, all people dead funny too.
Yeah.
Dangerous something that you know. Now if you trouble nobody for them trouble you.
You spend the money and think you can go. Yeah, you real man.
So you feel say if somebody go an Obeah man or Obeah woman, if you do somebody some form of evil, you think it will work?
If the next time I believe in it, it will work. But if like I know it can't work. No time.
Believe you. If you believe in a God, God will follow you. If you believe in a evil will go follow you. Yes, my brother, tell him mashallah.
So you feel say Obeah real?
You must remember Father Abraham. His brother, Lot father, God's best friend, who is a Obeah man.
Obeah real?
Me not know.
No man, tricks in trade, matches box in business. Obeah one sitting there, you know real, but man believe in it and think say real. And might be if you believe in it, it will work, and might be it will not work. You understand me? But Obeah are not sitting where people for him deal with. Or talk about. But most black people them I just that them believe in it. Them put God back and put Obeah in front. I have a brother who say him prefer read comic more than read a Bible. And him prefer Obeah man more than God. He all eating food and they say, boy, move God, come dog. And all them things there. So Obeah no nothing where we fi deal with. I love we fi talk about as a black nation. And we come together and live as one. You know right now in the church, you know, everybody who you see they run go to church, you know say they walk Obeah and then kill them bad man in neighbor. And they run for look forgiveness. But there is no forgiveness after you do wicked thing.
It's a serious thing, like the Obeah thing we are talking about there. And that's what you believe in your mind. Mind, you know, is that thing in the mind. And anything what you believe in.
So you feel say Obeah man and the Obeah woman them are the biggest scam of them in Jamaica?
I mean,
what make you feel so?
then they scam them and scam people.
I have a brethren and then Reggie go on Obeah man and then Obeah man charge them money and when Reggie they come out back here ask him friend them no have fear and then say no and then shoot back here in a plate with the money there and take out back some of the money and the Obeah man no find out so he take it. So that means say Obeah no real.
So the same money when pay Obeah man?
Pay the Obeah man and take out back some of the money and pay him fear if you come out you know the Obeah man no miss none of the money.
Yeah, but Obeah man always say simple trash. I don't know if you ever hear about that. Simple trash have a ram goat on his veranda. Clean. And a man go thief off him blood clot ram goat off his veranda. Then you feel that man named blood clot a good Obeah man. You know, feel find out the man or kill the man with thieving goat. Until today they simple trash to find the man with killing goat. Or thieving goat. What you talk about?
So you say, you feel say when time a man go Obeah man go get all a gathering, you feel say then sitting there work?
Yeah.
If you're very real, the cash pot and the lotto and the pick 4 and pick 5, they done broke a long time. Everybody that got Obeah man and get number mash them up.
Well, it may work if you believe.
Obeah not there.
Waste them and waste their money, that shit.
You know, believe in it still.
Yeah.
So remember it's only active.
Oh, yes.
Like,
Yes.
subscribe,
Yes.
share,
Yes.
leave a comment down there.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.